Welcome to today's 3D print. Today we are talking about filament, and this is that $11.99 kilogram filament that we saw that I posted for you guys, the Tech Orbits. I got 2 rolls of the red and I got 1 roll of the black before it told me I couldn't buy anymore, so there's a limit on how many you can buy. And it's all vacuum sealed with desiccant. Looks like this. I keep screwing up which side I'm on. So looks like that. It's a red. It's more of a translucent red, not translucent red. It is a solid red, but it's clear. It's not completely solid like most PLAs, but it does look good. Here is the sample vase. This is simple vase. Link will be below. Give myself a little Marvin. That's pretty cool. You're not really getting a good view of that, are you? Too much light, maybe? Yeah, it's a little better. It's really hard to pick this up, isn't it? Hopefully it's coming up better in the video than what I'm seeing on my little screen here. And then I also did the dragon's egg, which is the autofocus, please. Really? Come on. This dumb camera. Come on. There you go. And now it's tracking again. But then you have the dragon's egg. 3 pieces screws together, printed on the. All this is printed on the Maker Select. There you go. It's strong. Doesn't exhibit any weakness or layer bonding issues. Prints nicely. I can flex this. It doesn't crack and break. I can close it all the way. So it's your good, strong, typical PLA. Normal. It's not special or anything. It's just normal PLA. But pretty cool, especially for $12 a kilogram. So I would give that a good buy. So if you see that come up on sale, I would trust it. And if I see it come up on sale, I'm going to buy more. $12 a kilogram is a good price. So that's it. You guys have a great night.